Hello everyone, now we are stepping into a phase that quietly decides whether your AI model will shine or struggle no matter how advanced it looks on paper. We are entering phase 4 data preparation, and this chapter is all about refining the raw material. Data preparation is the process of cleaning, transforming, and structuring data so it can be effectively used for model training and evaluation. Um, Let me say that in very simple words, phase 4 is where we stop just looking at data and start shaping it. This is where raw data becomes usable data. This is where messy reality gets turned into something an AI can actually learn from. Think of it like this: data is not ready just because it exists. Data becomes ready when it is prepared with intention. Stay with me for a moment. We'll take this step by step. Now, let's gently connect phase 4 to everything we've already done. Data preparation builds on insights from data understanding to engineered datasets suitable for modeling. In everyday language, this means phase 4 does not start blindly, it starts with knowledge. By now, you already know where the data comes from, you already know its gaps, its biases, its strengths, and its weaknesses. Now, watch how this connects. Phase 4 is where you say, okay, knowing all this, how do we fix it, shape it, and prepare it? You might have seen this at work. Teams rush into model building thinking AI is magic, then the model underperforms, and everyone blames the algorithm. But the truth is simple: garbage prepared nicely is still garbage. Good preparation turns average data into powerful input. Let me show you why this phase is often underestimated. Data preparation includes activities such as data cleaning, normalization, feature creation, and integration. Now, don't worry about the fancy words. We'll keep this human. Cleaning means removing errors and fixing mistakes. Normalization means making data comparable. Feature creation means helping the model notice what matters. Integration means bringing data sources together in a usable way. Here's a simple workplace story. I once worked with a sales dataset where January appeared as Jan, January, and 01. To humans, that's obvious. To a model, that's four different months. Phase 4 is where we stop assuming the model will understand and start speaking the model's language. Now, let's slow down and talk about mindset because this is important. Data preparation is an iterative and collaborative engineering activity. In simple terms, this phase is never one and done. You clean something, you test it, you realize something else is broken, you fix again. This is normal, this is healthy. You might have seen this tension between teams. Business wants speed, engineers want accuracy. Phase 4 is where a good PMI CPMI professional acts like a bridge. You protect quality without killing momentum. Think of it like polishing a gemstone. You don't smash it, you don't brush it, you carefully refine it layer by layer. Let me share something very practical that learners love to hear. Most AI project effort is spent in data preparation rather than model development. This surprises many people. They imagine AI projects as glamorous modeling work. In reality, most of the real work happens right here. I often tell my students, half joking but very serious, if your model is weak, look at your data prep before blaming the math. Phase 4 is where hidden risks are removed, it's where bias gets reduced, it's where performance quietly improves before training even begins. This is not a support phase, this is a value creation phase. Let's gently wrap this together. Phase 4 data preparation is about respecting the data enough to prepare it properly. So, well prepared data directly impacts model accuracy, fairness, and reliability. In very simple language, you cannot rush refinement, you cannot skip preparation, and you cannot expect great AI from careless data. As a PMI CPMI professional, your role here is critical. You guide the team to slow down just enough so phase 5 can move fast with confidence. Raw material is never perfect, but when refined with care, it becomes powerful. And that's exactly what phase 4 is all about. We are going to discuss data cleaning, handling missing values in details in next chapter.